to mark the answer A, B, or C on your sheet. Listen and mark. And then you have to read it. You have to check from your listening which one or which choice that relate to your lifestyle now. And you have to calculate the score. We have the score here. After you finish marking, you have to see, give yourself 1 point for each A. It means if you answer A, you got 1 point. And then after you finish all of the questions, you have to calculate your score or your point from the criteria. Such as if you answer A, you will got 1. B, you will got 2. If you answer C, you got 3 points. Understand? Good job. And then we will discuss about the question for the next activity. Okay, now are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, go. You have to listen to the sound first. Okay. Wait a minute.
1. Listen and discuss.
Check.
How green are you? 1. What do you do when you finish using your computer for the day?
A. I leave the computer on so that I don't have to wait for it to get energy at all.
2. When you go shopping, what kind of bag do you use for your groceries?
A. I put all my groceries into double plastic bags.
B.
B. I prefer to eat organic fruits and vegetables when possible.
C. I prefer to eat organic fruits and vegetables that I've grown myself.